Hi, my name is Avni, and I'm a bioinformatics systems analyst at the Genomics Institute, which is a part of the University of California, Santa Cruz. This is part 2 of a two-part series. In this video, I will demonstrate how to launch a Galaxy workflow from Dockstore in a custom cloud environment. We can start at the Terra homepage, and the link for it is included in the video description box below. Terra has integrated with Galaxy, making it possible for users to spin up a custom Galaxy server backed by a cloud environment and dedicated resources. Apart from providing a rapid and customizable cloud Galaxy instance, Terra is able to access a rich data corpus hosted in the cloud, including many controlled access datasets, facilitating the user to securely carry out analysis using this data. If you haven't already, now would be a good time to log into Terra. Once you're logged in, click on the hamburger menu on the top left and then click on Workspaces. Here, you can either choose to create a new workspace or choose an existing workspace that you would like to use to create the custom Galaxy Cloud instance in. I have already created a workspace I would like to use, and I will go ahead and select that. Once inside the workspace, you can click on the Notebooks tab and then click on the Create a Cloud Environment for Galaxy button. This opens up the menu to choose the cloud compute profile. Based on your analysis, you can best estimate the parameters with which you would like to create the cloud instance. Today, we will use the default configuration. Hence, you can go ahead and click on Next. Setting up a cloud environment can take 8 to 10 minutes. You can navigate away and Terra will notify you when the environment is ready. Next, we can click on Create. When the cloud environment is ready, a notification will show up in the top right corner. You can click on the Launch Galaxy button, and this will open up the familiar Galaxy interface we saw in the previous video. Each Galaxy instance within Terra has a unique URL. Copy the URL in the web page address bar. Now we can navigate back to the Dockstore page to the Galaxy video that we used before. Now when you click on the Launch with Galaxy button, you can choose to use a custom cloud environment and then paste the URL you copied from the custom cloud environment. All that there is left to do is click on Launch, and the workflow will get imported into your list of workflows. You're familiar with what to do next. All there is left to do is click on the version that you would like to use, and the workflow is ready for launching. You can also import a workflow from Dockstore into Galaxy using a search form or with the TRS ID. To do this, click on the Import button. Under the header, import a workflow from configured GA for GH tool registry servers, example Dockstore. You can choose either option. For a little bit of context, GA for GH stands for the Global Alliance for Genomics and Health. It is a policy framing and technical standard setting organization seeking to enable responsible genomic data sharing within a human rights framework. The Tool Registry Service, TRS, pronounced as TERS, is a standard API for exchanging tools and workflows to analyze, read, and manipulate genomic data. Let's first try the Import with TERS ID option. Navigate back to the Dockstore page with the COVID-19 workflow we have used before. Click on the copy icon next to the TERS ID. This will copy the TERS ID to your clipboard. Let's go back to the Galaxy tab and paste this ID in the search box. You can choose a version. Here we will choose main, and it will be added to your workflows ready for launching. Next, let's also use the Galaxy search form. Type a search term. For example, we will search for phenotype to find some Galaxy workflows for phenotype assessment. Click on the workflow and then on the version. Again here we will choose main, and it will be loaded into your workflows ready for launch. So, to recap, there are several different ways to launch Galaxy workflows. You can use the Dockstore's faceted search to find a workflow you would like to use. Then you can use either the default Galaxy Cloud options or generate a custom cloud instance on Terra and use the Launch with Galaxy button on Dockstore to launch the workflow. You could also go to the usegalaxy.org and use either the search form or import with TRS ID option to load any Galaxy workflow from Dockstore. This brings us to the end of this video. You can find more information about Galaxy workflows in Dockstore in the Dockstore documentation. All the links for the various resources mentioned in this video are listed in the description box. Thanks for watching.